All right, this place is not closing. This is the Pilot Inn of all funny places, Beaver Dam, Ohio. I always love that name, so funny, Beaver Dam. But I wanted to document this McDonald's just in case it disappeared or they changed the look of it, because it's pretty cool, and the inside of it is pretty cool as well. I love all the, look at that, all the way down there. And then they got the M's on the red like that. Even the Pilot sign is on there like that. Well, you look at this. Feast your eyes on this amazing golden arches inside the Pilot gas station. And I have to make note, we are on Highway 30, the Lincoln Highway, which is a very famous highway, one of the first highways in America. It's very famous, like Route 66. But look at this, we can walk right underneath the golden arches. And there's the back of it. And Parker. Isn't that amazing? This is what the inside looks like. Look at this too, that's cool. Awesome. Of course their dining area is closed because of the pandemic. Welcome back to Urbex. I'm here at this non-closing Target here in Ontario, Ohio, near Mansfield. And I'm here because I have rumors and I've heard that this is still super 90s inside with all the neon, so I figured I'd go and check it out before it disappeared. We checked out the one that was in Elyria, Ohio, so I thought I would check this one out and see if it's different. All you have to do if you want to see this one is follow me, and I'm gonna go inside because it's freezing outside. It's like 20 degrees. Okay, definitely the Elyria Target was better. The 90s vibes were much better, but they still do have the neon. Look, you can see the neon right there. And of course, here we have the classic blue fitting rooms with the red and all the neon going around it. That's awesome. Okay, so you'll notice the neon is kind of, you know, it makes that up and down pattern, kind of like a sound wave. But then you'll notice the red stuff is a different pattern. I've never seen that before. I've only ever seen the wavy up and down neon in Targets. I've never seen the straight across type. We're gonna take a look at that shortly. Okay, so this is weird. You can see the neon is straight, but down here it returns back to being wavy. Interesting. Well, they didn't have the cafe with all the neon in it, but... If you're not a member of the Tilted Tripod Media Squad, then what are you waiting for? Head on over to patreon.com/tiltedtripodmedia. Link is on the screen and in the description box below. We've just launched a brand new product line, including mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, and much more. So, what are you waiting for? Check it out today and become a member, and also gain exclusive access to early content and special member-only content. Because the future of video is right here, right now, at Tilted Tripod Media. All right, everyone, I'm not on camera right now because I doubt you'd be able to see me. I'll try doing it, and if I can get an intro with me, you know, talking like normal, but it is really dark outside. But I'm here at the family farm and home in Ontario, Ohio, you know, Mansfield area, and that's because, does this not look familiar? This was a Toys R Us, and I wish I had some video of it from earlier in the day when I passed by it, because it's not painted like Toys R Us anymore. It was green and yellow from what I remember. But we're gonna go inside and check this place out and kind of show you what it looks like. All right, here is a look inside what used to be a Toys R Us. Oh my, ooh, these look cool too. I'm gonna have to get me one of these. I'm gonna have so many buckets, blah, blah, can't talk. I'm gonna have so many buckets I can become a bucket head. It's like bucket mania today. I already got 3. Let's add a 4th one. Need to find out how much these cost. Okay, I found more jackpot. Look at this. This is little bitty ones. They've got the big ones, and then they've got these little ones, and then they've got these even smaller ones. But I think the light would work better in a white one. Okay, I found something even cooler, and they're actually selling them? The what? There's one left. Ooh, they're kind of expensive. There you can see this is the old Toys R Us bathroom floor, or rather the hallway to it. And I think that was from Toys R Us too, where it says restrooms.